Hi, today I'll show you how to change the oil and check the oil filter on your Honda Navi. You will need a torque wrench, a bucket to catch the oil, a long 12mm socket, a long 17mm socket, a measuring cup for the oil, a funnel, and Honda Pro GN4 10W30 engine oil. Make sure to wear gloves and work on a flat surface. First, warm up the engine for a few minutes so the oil flows better. Then turn off the engine and wait a moment to avoid burns. Now place the bucket under the engine to catch the oil. Using the 12mm socket, loosen and remove the drain bolt. Allow the old oil to drain completely into the bucket. Be careful, the oil may still be hot. Clean and inspect the drain bolt washer and replace it if necessary. With the oil already drained, use the long 17mm socket to remove the oil filter, which is located on the other side of the motorcycle. Carefully remove the filter nut, as it can strip easily. Check the oil filter and nut washer. Clean the filter and inspect the washer. Replace them if necessary. Now put the oil filter and nut back in place as shown. Using the torque wrench set to 15 pounds and 17mm socket, begin tightening. Stop tightening when you hear a click from the torque wrench. Now, on the other side of the motorcycle, set the torque wrench to 18 pounds. Using the 12mm socket, place the drain bolt, add the washer, and begin tightening. Stop tightening when you hear the click of the torque wrench. Now, remove the dipstick and check the washer. Replace it if necessary. Now, using the measuring cup, add 800 milliliters of oil to the correct level. Now add the 800 milliliters of oil using a funnel and be very careful not to spill. Clean the dipstick clean, insert it back, then remove it again and check that all the marks are coated with oil. If the oil is above the marks, remove some oil. If it is below, add more. If everything is fine, insert the dipstick and start the engine for a short time to warm it up. This helps circulate the new oil and properly lubricate the engine. Thanks for watching. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.